I've got a great team. I'm very proud of my team. The people that work with me side by side, doing my open houses with me, editing my videos, my photography, and I'm very proud of everyone that's a part of the Biszantz Connection and helps me deliver to my sellers homes that they've sold. We beat records of floor plan sales per square foot. I'm very proud of every single thing that we have sold in Traditions, in the Grand, in West, and I love breaking records. I love breaking per square foot records, and I love it when I do such a great job on marketing. My seller says, well, wait a minute, I don't remember the house looking that great. Well, I'm very proud of that, and I work step by step with you and explain each part of the sales process, because a lot of it can be really easy and a lot of it can be very daunting during the inspection periods, during all sorts of different aspects of the escrow. So I'm there with you to make your home shine better than any other way that it could. I will make your home shine, and I'll be very proud of it, and it would be my honor and my pleasure to work with you.